Hi guys, it's Josh with Mid-America RV, and I've got some exciting news coming up here pretty quick, actually March 1st through the 12th. We're going to be having another annual open house. What does that mean for you? Well, that means the 100 plus trailers that we have in stock are all marked down, thousands below MSRP. We're going to get you in trailers as inexpensive as $5 a day. So think about that. You could be camping, spending your weekends at the lake, you could be traveling on spring break, you can be doing all the things that don't require airplanes and hotels and things like that. Travel at your own leisure, see the country as much as you want, and do it as cheap as $5 a day. Now we've got tons of options available, so whether it's just something small like this Intech that we're sitting in right now, or if you need something massive like some of our Fusion and Voltage toy haulers that we've got out here on the lot, we have something for everybody. So nothing's too big, nothing's too small. If you can tow it behind a vehicle, we've got it here for you. So come see us March 1st through the 12th. We're actually going to be doing some specials too, including a $250 parts and accessories credit on every trailer, new and used, that you purchase during that period. So come see us, come visit with some of our manufacturer reps that are going to be in town, come get your name in some of the prizes we're going to be giving away, and just enjoy the fun. And even if you're not serious about buying a camper right now, it's a great time to come out because you can see all the options that we've got here loaded up for spring. And even with our factory reps here, they can help kind of give you a little bit deeper insight into what makes each one of these brands unique for us and why we carry such a wide variety for our customers. So hope to see you here. Be our regular hours Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 and 9 to 3 on Saturdays. Again, that's March 1st through the 12th. See you there.